Can you sit over on the side?
Yeah.
Sorry. Thank you. Okay, so to start, how many of you have heard of the Bowline or the Bowline, however you want to pronounce it, knot? 1, 2, okay. So, if you were in Boy Scouts, you may have experienced doing this a little bit. The Bowline knot is known for being one of the best knots because it's so easy and it holds up. It's very strong. It also, the history of it, just a little background for you, was with sailing. The boat was, or it was used on the edges of a square sail to keep it from flipping over when the wind blows. And nowadays it's used for tying light aircraft down with the National, or is it Federal Aviation Administration. And it's also used with small Chris Craft and sailing boats. So here's just a little step-by-step how to do it. I'll go ahead and show you guys first, and then I can do it over and over if you need to, but I just figure this gives you a little bit of a visual. It took me a while to figure it out. So you're going to take it, and if you want to hold the rope out, and you don't have to do it right now if you just want to watch me, whatever works best for you. And you're going to make like a cursive B. So if you think about just here's your B. And then you're going to take the tail in and put it back through the circle of your B. Go back behind the tall part of your B, and then come back through the circle while holding the bottom loop and pulling up. And then you have your bowline. It's okay, you make just a knot. It took me a very long time. You don't want to know how many. Come on. Not everyone is a natural knot tire, so if you want to watch me do it again. Okay, so if you think of it as a B, so you follow me, I'll try to do it so it can face you. And then take your tail end and go up through and then out. You follow me there?
Yeah.
And then, let's make sure I'm doing it right, around, and then back through. And you want to hold it so you cinch it. Yeah. So then, yeah, you can pull it tighter. And it's a lot easier to see it in really big rope, but really large rope is expensive, so that doesn't happen. But you can use this also just to tie around people for if you're climbing and doing...
Could you do it again and let
Yeah.
me see the final product?
Okay, let me do it. Do you want me to do it facing your way so you can
No,
watch? Or just,
I don't
okay.
need to see the process. I just want to see what it looks like at the end. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay. Does anyone need some individual help?
I probably.
Okay. So right now, if you guys want to just try to do it on your own, that is the test. Oh, you can still look at this if you need to. I mean, okay. I still need that, so just try to do it on your own. It's just if you pass or fail, kind of like juggling.
So,
There is a story that goes along with it. For me, it was a little more confusing. I like the whole cursive B and stick the tail back through.
so do we grab onto the bottom loop right here? This one or this one? So it's like in this picture, do we grab on that loop or that?
You want to pull this?
Pull one? Pull more, so just pull this. Oh, okay. But if we want it bigger, which one do we put on? This one?
This is your big, if you pull the big one, then your big one's going to get smaller. Do you guys want to watch me do it one more time? For those of you who are having a hard time with it, is everyone okay? So remember, you're going to make your B, and then you're going to take your tail and stick it through the bottom of the B, and then around your stem, back through the circle, And then with your left hand, if you're left-handed, you're gonna hold with your 2 fingers the big loop and then pull the 2 tails. And that's how you keep it. So you're not really pulling either of the 2 circles.
No, I wasn't asking which one to pull.
Whoa.
I was asking which one to hold if you wanted your loop bigger.
You just
I
hold
figured it
the,
out.
okay.
Thank you for that.
Does anyone need any assistance? I think Cody's got it.
This right?
Do you have it? Okay.
Have you seen it like 20 times before?
Yes.
Now I can't do it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try it with that.
Kelsey, you got it?
Yeah. What?
Yeah, you guys did great. I'm really proud of you because it took me quite a few YouTube videos.
Do we have to be able to do without the paper to
I didn't have time.
No, you can still use the paper if you need to watch it a little bit. There's a lot of steps to do the right order.
Then you keep the bunny in. And then let him
All right. Does anyone have any questions?
You let him have his rent back? Is that what you said?
Does anyone have any questions?
No.
Okay, so a little just quiz on the history. What would this be used for back in ancient times?
Boats.
What kind of boats?
Sailboats.
Okay.
Ones that
Like
Not
boats.
the thinking kind.
All right. Sounds good. No one has any questions or anything?
Yeah.
All right. Done.
Cool.